I am Sarah. I am Functional Rustic, and this week's tutorial is how to make a sensory bottle. I love these because they're really easy to make and they're really cool. Look at that. So, like I said, they are really easy to make, so I'm going to get started. I have a lot to do today because my Muscovy hen is hatching out ducklings right now. So I don't want to be sitting around doing a bunch of crafts. I want to be helping with the ducks. So this is a Gatorade bottle. I've just rinsed it out with water after I drank it, took the label off, and right here I've just got regular water. So we're going to add that in there. Ooh. All right. Now I want it to be blue. I want it to match this. So I'm going to take my blue food coloring and I want to put in only one drop. Oh, hi. I've got ducks around me. All right, that's one drop of blue. Put that on there. I'm going to shake this up a little bit. And I want to keep it light like this because I'm going to be adding glitter and I want to be able to see all the glitter in there. If you're not adding glitter, you can make it as dark as you want. You can make it as dark as you want anyway. But the glitter, it needs the light coloring in order to be seen. So like I said, I'm going to do glitter. So already I've got some gold. Just going to pour it in there. If you're measuring, I'd say, I don't know, wing it, honestly. Normally I say a teaspoon, but it depends on the size of your bottle and how much glitter you want. All right, I got gold, I got red. And I've got silver. There is one of the ducks down here below me. I wonder if I can get her to go on screen. There she is. It's Amelia Air Duck. All right, so I've got water with a bunch of glitter floating on top. And now the only other ingredient, oil. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm using canola oil. And literally, I'm just going to fill up top here. Ooh, look at that. All right. Whoa, and you want to go all the way up to the lid here because you don't want to have a bunch of air pockets when you're doing it. Or, I mean, you could have it, whatever you want, actually. Air pockets do have their benefits, but generally speaking, put it all the way to the top. All right, and then I just put on my lid, seal it up. Alrighty, that looks pretty cool. All right, that's my phone ring. We're going to ignore it. I want to get this done. Check that out. Oh my gosh! Water and oil. Oh, it's not really close. All right, but if you shake it, look how cool it is. Let me move it sideways. I love it. All right, that's literally all it is. So if you want to seal it shut, I usually use hot glue. So take your hot glue gun, put it all the way around here so you can't twist it off. You can add glitter to the hot glue if you want to make it fancy, but if you're an adult who is not going to screw off the lid, you don't need to glue it if it's just you. My nephew would probably be playing with this at some point, so later I am going to glue it. But like I said, I've got ducklings to take care of, so this is the DIY tutorial from Functional Rustic this week. An awesome sensory bottle made with oil and water. Woo. See more of the ducks and more DIY tutorials at functionalrustic.com.